Okay, I'm ready. Whenever you are.
Alright, what can I get for you?
Can I get the 3 tenders and 3 wings meal?
What would you like for your wings flavored in?
The mango habanero.
What's your dipping sauce in?
Blue cheese.
For both or one?
Blue cheese is fine, yeah, for both.
What's your drink?
Can you get a Dr. Pepper? Actually, I have root beer, sorry.
Alright.
And can I get a small mac and cheese as well?
Okay.
That'll do it.
Alright, it's gonna be $14.95 at the window.
Alright. We're at Slim Chickens. Get some mac and cheese. Ooh. Mango habanero wings, blue cheese of course, and their classic tenders. And they got the Texas toast. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, you guys.
Very good.
Very good.